Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today on my channel we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We are going to be reviewing 4 social media businesses. As with all of my videos, I get served ads on Facebook and Instagram all the time. So I decided I'm going to try some social media exclusive businesses. This means that these social media pages don't have a website. You order through Instagram or through Facebook or through WhatsApp, and the entire transaction takes place there.
Saying I'm interested in this product, how much is it, to can I order it, to here's the payment details that needs to be made to you, and sending out your delivery details and sending your proof of payment and then sending you tracking numbers for the package. Everything happens on these social media sites.
So I'm going to start with a Instagram page called Printed Creations. They are a custom 3D printing business, and they do a lot of earrings. They do a lot of poly clay cutters, so you can ask them to print you poly clay cutters. I decided that I wanted a specific pair of earrings, so I asked them if they were able to make it with their 3D printer, and they sent me my order, so let's have a look. Here is the package. I love a beautiful box and a sticker. I'm living for it. Why you do this? Why? Wow, this is exactly what I imagined. Okay, they do these peace sign earrings, so I ordered 2 pairs of these. Really cute. They have lots of different colors, beautiful lime green, a beautiful bronze color, coral colors, really beautiful colors that I've seen. These are beautiful, and the packaging is just gorgeous. I mean, if you give this to someone as a gift, it looks like you bought it from the shop. It's stunning. So I asked if he could print these skulls for me. It looks like they came out exactly how I wanted them. They are awesome. So he did send me some 3D blueprints. I don't know if that's what they're called. So he sent me a couple of options, and I said, no, this one is perfect, and I love it. So these are amazing. And the guitars, how cute. These he already was making, I think. So that is super cool. Really, really nice. He did say that he was going to send me something extra. So he sent me the lime green ones. How cool are these? These must have been the test ones. As far as I think I remember these being the test ones. And then also the keyring. Love it. An alcohol swab came in the box as well. That is super. I've never seen that before. I've never even seen that from Lovisa. So I'm in love. I am in love. Okay. Turns out, I didn't know this, but he can make keyrings as well. So earrings, keyrings. Now I match. Oh. I ordered this on a Saturday, and it arrived the next Thursday, which is not too bad because I suppose it was custom made. The next package I have is from a WhatsApp business. So this business is called RibbonKing. They also have an Instagram account, which is where I think I originally saw them. And then because I've ordered them from them before, I have the lady on WhatsApp, her name is Viv, and I see a lot of her new products through WhatsApp stories. Tie-dye is all the rage right now. So here's the package. And here is the box. Okay. Viv obviously uses our throwaway chronic, and she buys the value pack. Kudos for recycling, Viv. It has a beautiful little custom ribbon here that says, "Thanks Sam, RibbonKing XOXO," which I think is gorgeous. I see this. Okay. My best friend is obsessed with tie-dye at the moment, and it's her birthday on the 3rd of September. So I got this beautiful ribbon from Viv to wrap her present with. How beautiful is this? Okay, so this was 15 Rand per meter, And the minimum I think you can order is 10 meters. It might be minimum 10 meters with printing on it, but I know there is a minimum order at some stage. How beautiful is this? Oh my word, imagine this with a print on it. I should have actually gotten it printed. Last year for Christmas, I ordered this from her, and as you can see, Christmas has come and gone and I still have plenty left over. So I decided that for my presents, instead of putting tags on the presents, I thought I'm going to put a ribbon. Initially I was going to wrap it around the whole present, but then I was scared that I would run out of ribbon, and I really wanted to keep some because I just love it so much. So this just says Merry Christmas, love Jono, Sam and Josh. I couldn't just say from the McKays because we're all McKays at Christmas time. As you can see, her quality is impeccable. I mean, this ribbon is almost a year old. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this printing. The actual quality of the ribbon is quite nice. It hasn't faded in color. It's just beautiful quality. So I will be ordering more ribbon. Whenever I need ribbon, I'll be ordering ribbon from her. So like I said, she is an Instagram business, but because I already had her on WhatsApp, my transaction was completely on WhatsApp. And that is what happened with Printed Creations as well. We started the conversation on Instagram, but then it progressed to WhatsApp. Oh, I ordered this ribbon on Thursday and it arrived on the Saturday. She used the courier guy to send it, so obviously they deliver on the Saturday, so that was quite lucky. Our third social media business is MiseryInc. MiseryInc is a Facebook business. The entire transaction took place on Facebook. So the proof of payment, the ordering, the invoice/quote, everything was sent on Facebook. There was no exchange of phone numbers. There was no exchange of email addresses. The entire transaction took place on Facebook. I'm always hoping that this is a personalized letter, and it's not. Wow. Okay. I was mistaken, there is a personalized letter. It says, from the bottom of our little dark hearts, we thank you for your purchase and hope you love your order as much as we do. This is the personalized letter I've been waiting for the whole day. Guys, the personalized letter came with a free gift, a little Smurf necklace. How cute! This is the personal touch I love from a small business. I ordered this awesome skull tote bag. How amazing is this? I love a tote bag just for, you know, if you're going to the park or something, you just pop a little apple and a little... Who am I kidding? Okay, look how beautiful this is. And the strap is nice and long, so it just goes across the entire body and sits down here by my ribs. Oh, it's perfect. This is awesome. I love this. Okay, and it's got a little... It has a zip, which I also love. And it has got this inside pocket as well, which is really cool. I really love that. So that I'm super excited to swap handbags now. I'm all about this tote bag life for summer. This is going to be my summer bag. Oh my word, I'm loving this. So we all know about my Halloween birthday party coming up in April next year. This is going to be perfect. How awesome is this? And I didn't know it was this big. I thought it was going to be like half the size of it, like maybe this size, but this is such a pleasant surprise and such good quality. Oh my word. Check this out. How crazy is this? Oh my word. I love it. This is also the cutest thing. It is a bracelet with skulls on it, a male and female candy skull thing. I just think this is so cute. So it is a bit big for me. I'm gonna have to take some of the link, like maybe a whole link out, just to make it a bit smaller, because at the moment it's quite big. But I really like it. I think it is really, really cool, and it's such nice quality. can hear it's quite heavy as well. So yeah, super impressed. Onto my last package of my social media businesses pages video. It's called Vintage Drip. She is a lady that sells thrifted clothing items. She's got really nice items, and I purchased this one from her. And you guys are not going to be surprised when you see what it is, because but look, do you not love this jersey? So it is obviously a Christmas jersey with all these little Christmas mouses playing with their presents and the Christmas tree. So I mean, this must be from the I don't even know what. It's even like such an old tag. I mean, I don't know how many people have worn this in their lives. I don't know where it's been, but the stories this jersey could probably tell. And I'm super happy to now be the new owner of this jersey. I mostly bought it because it reminded me of my gran. I'm 100% sure she had a jersey like this, and I'm living for this jersey. It doesn't even say what size this thing is. It says back before people used to size themselves. They were just like, hi, I'm human size. Reverse garment before washing. I wonder how many of the previous owners actually did that. I placed my order with this lady, Vintage Drip, on Saturday, and it arrived on the Wednesday. So she has two options for delivery. She does Aramex for 100 Rand and she does Paxi for 60 Rand. So I tried Aramex because I didn't know what Paxi was. So I messaged her and I said, can you please tell me what Paxi is so that I know, because I was just uneducated that way. And I recently ordered something else from her and it's coming through Paxi. Yeah, so that's it from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and click the little bell for notifications if you'd like to see more of my videos. And if you'd really like to, you can even share this video. Let's support small local businesses, because it is very true. When you buy something from a small business, an actual person does a happy dance. When you support a local business, you really are supporting actual people. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.